Bitcoin is really confusing right here, guys, as it is still holding the support and still consolidating in this kind of rising channel. But there are more interesting charts right now than Bitcoin, and one of them is Ethereum, because Ethereum in the last couple of candles actually outperformed Bitcoin slightly. Could that mean that we are going to see some relief on Ethereum? Guys, I'm going to show you some crazy charts in today's video, which, we'll basically have a look at the Ethereum charts. We are going to have a look at Bitcoin, but also at the regular financial markets, as there is a very crucial moment going on right now. So guys, drop a thumbs up, leave a comment, let's dive straight into it. Let's start off with Bitcoin. As we can see with Bitcoin, like I said also yesterday, we have to really respect the structure, right? Right now we are still in this rising channel, and as long as we are trading in that rising channel and Bitcoin is holding support, things are actually looking bullish, and we can actually maybe even come up to the resistance and even break out to the upside. I know this sounds quite ridiculous, as we already have been quite overextended and we have bearish divergences, but you gotta imagine, guys, sometimes when Bitcoin is in a bull trend, it just breaks up, consolidates while the price actually going up, and then break out to the upside. Sometimes it can be really confusing and insane. That's why I'm thinking that the signals are very important to keep you alert and to be open to change your bias. That is very important, that you don't only lean to one scenario, right? Because when this thing breaks down, and we have all that signals, like we had positive funding, we have a positive premium, stuff like that, then we can say, okay, yeah, most likely we're gonna get a further correction, so let's lower some risk, right? Let's catch it early, lower some risk. But as long as we are not breaking that support, things are just still looking bullish, right? And in the bull market, especially in the acceleration with positive funding, Bitcoin can go up. With bearish divergences, Bitcoin can go up. So eventually, structure always wins over any signal. The signal is just the backbone of what's happening with the price. So right now we are still in this in this rising channel, and let Bitcoin just do its thing. And as long as Bitcoin is going sideways, most likely more liquidity will go to Ethereum. And guys, Ethereum is looking very, very good. It's even looking better than Bitcoin, because we also have a rising channel right here. But if you compare it with Bitcoin, Bitcoin is maybe at the half, not even at the half of the rising channel. Ethereum is already higher, and guys, this is exactly what we have been predicting over on Will Alerts. I've been preparing from the 1st of November, even earlier, end of October. I've already been preparing the people that are inside Will Alerts that Ethereum is going to rally after Bitcoin, and that we are going to make a swing trade into Ethereum to get more Bitcoin. So I'm already positioned in Ethereum. I was already prepared for what is coming. I have multiple reasons for that. Here we can also see we even get the Bitcoin dominance breaking down, and that is actually a good sign for Ethereum as well. As the dominance going down, liquidity will be more spread among altcoins, which means more liquidity could flow to Bitcoin, and the charts from Bitcoin looking bullish. But right now I would be careful to jump in, because we actually entered this trade pretty early right here at the lows, because we prepared for this position and then wait for it to play out. If you chase a position, that is different, because you are with a different emotional state in that position, and you have less flexibility actually. And I also have to say that I don't think that this is going to be the ultimate bottom for ETH BTC chart. But I do think that we can get some relief right here in the shorter term time frame. We can also see it in the Ethereum dominance. So that's also something that's existing, right? You got Bitcoin dominance, but also Ethereum dominance. We had a falling wedge formation right here. We're tapping the resistance. Looks like we break out right here. And we have bullish divergences with the relative strength index on the 4-hour time frame. I guess this is also visible on the daily time frame. Yeah, we got higher lows on the relative strength index, lower lows on the price. So guys, this is actually looking pretty good. And if you would like to get these valuable information very early with extra videos and setups with images and text, make sure to join Will Alerts. Will Alerts you can basically join for free by being an active trader on one of these exchanges down below this video. So if you are trading anyway, you can just trade on Bybit, BingX or on BitGet using the affiliate link down below, and you will get that extra information for free that we are providing over in Will Alerts, which I would say is very valuable information, because since the launch of this program, I think we are doing this now since the beginning of 2023, maybe a little bit later, we have made so much profitable calls, and it's not a service where you will get everyday updates about long Bitcoin now with a 10x leverage, or do this, that. No, we really try to pick the good swings, the good trades, the trades with a lower risk. And we always mention how much risk is involved in certain trades, or which altcoins to buy, when to take profits, and why we are doing, or at least I'm showing you what I'm doing. So that's also what I did with this Ethereum trade. I already announced it like late October. I already announced it on the channel with a video where I'm stating like, I'm looking to enter some Ethereum positions short term, because like I said, I don't think it will be the bottom from Ethereum, but I'm going to scale in right here just to make a swing trade to get more Bitcoin, and later I will invest even more in Ethereum, but we need to see lower lows. And if you want to know those exact levels, make sure to join Will Alerts, guys. And we got a new exchange around the block, that is BingX exchange. And if you are looking for an exchange without KYC, but the same functionalities and even more than Bybit and BitGet, make sure to join BingX with the affiliate link down below. You can get a bonus up to $9,600 depending on your deposit and on your trading volume. But here you have spot market, derivatives markets, and the crazy thing is with the derivatives markets, you can also trade commodities, you can trade gold, you can trade the S&P 500, Nasdaq next to crypto, and you can use US dollar tether to trade these markets as well. They even have forex, so it's very interesting for the all-round trader if you are looking for more trading pairs than crypto, but also if you're looking for a backup exchange without KYC, so whenever regulations are changing, you can quickly shift between exchanges. BingX is the new kit around the block, so definitely check those out, because it is a very good exchange. I right now use it to trade the S&P 500, and I actually just opened a position on the S&P 500 here. And why did we do that? Well, that brings me to the next chart. The S&P 500 right now is testing just this major level, and this is also going to be the warning, guys. I cannot let you go home without a warning, right? But the S&P 500 right now is at a massive resistance. This is a massive resistance, guys, and a make or break point. And we have a gap here. We have a gap here, and we even have a small gap here. This is very, very dangerous. And that's also, I'm going to be slightly a little bit skeptical whenever this is dumping like crazy, if that were to occur on Monday. Which is possible, right? Because we had this rising channel right here. We broke this rising channel to the downside. A lot of people were bearish. And then we backtested this level kind of, and we had a further dump, right? Now we have that rally. We have a rally with multiple gaps. These gaps are most likely being filled. So people know for a fact, okay, most likely sooner or later it will come down. But now it already made a nice rally. So this is really a moment where a lot of people, I think, are going to take profits on their portfolio. They are like, okay, looks like we are in a downtrend. We right now at massive resistance from that downtrend. This is very logical moment to take profits and to lower your risk, especially with the macro environment. So like I said, I don't know exactly what's going to happen with the S&P 500, but if you want to short it, you have to do it now, because we are at the previous highs. If we surpass this high, then we are not in a downtrend anymore, because we made a new higher high, right? This is not a lower high anymore. So technically right now we're still in lower high, so you could actually short here and just put a stop loss right here at 4,400, maybe 4,420, just to be sure. That's actually an easy trade. I do want to be a little bit careful if this thing, like in any weird scenario, is going to plummet down. Like on Monday there will be panic and this thing will like plummet down. I want to be a little bit careful with crypto too, as crypto is very extended. And I think like a big panic move in the regular financial markets can create panic across other markets too. But right now, like we said, structure is king. We just have to be prepared and alert, right? These are important times, very important times to if you are active in the markets, to be also there. Set alerts. Maybe when you look at my chart, you're often seeing these white lines. I have a lot of alerts in these charts, and I set those alerts over on TradingView. So I don't have to sit 24/7 before my screen and look at all these charts. No, I'll just do my day. I do the things that I need to do. I work on my projects. And whenever I hear a bleep bleep or my phone starts ringing, I know, okay, something is going on. Right? That's the same with the Ethereum. Like I went into an Ethereum trade. I'll just leave it. And a couple of days later, I check my phone and I get these alerts. Okay, Ethereum dominance is crossing these levels. Things are looking bullish. Looks like that we are doing a good trade. So that is how I like to work, because otherwise you're glued with your eyes to the screen. It's not good for your emotional state. It's not good for your quality of life. It's not good for your wife. It's better to have those alerts. And that's also why it is so nice when you can join something like Will Alerts, because you won't even get the alerts from TradingView, which you can set yourself, but you even get like trade ideas and setups, which I think are very valuable. And right now the quantity of setups are also increasing because the market is picking up. Right, and we even made when Bitcoin was actually not looking all too bullish, or when Bitcoin was correcting in the bear market, we even made some calls where we have made a altcoin trade and made over 100% profit against Bitcoin. That was DYDX, and the reason why we could do that, why in a bearish market we could still make a 100x gain in US dollar and in Bitcoin, is because we are looking at certain structures and we are buying that altcoin when it is very oversold and when it's touching a macro support, right? And then you have a very low risk to reward. And when the price goes up, sometimes you can already take profits a couple of weeks later, and you can let something run for free because your profits already cover the amount you put in. So very interesting things, guys. I would highly recommend you to join. I think most of you guys have already a Bybit account. If you don't have a Bybit account, make sure to watch my Bybit tutorials and sign up with the link down below. But if you are looking for backup exchange, definitely have a look at BingX, as you can also trade different pairs. You can also short or long the regular financial markets and many other trading pairs, which is unique from this exchange because you can basically not do that on other exchanges. You cannot trade S&P 500 on BitGet or on Bybit. So definitely worth checking out, guys. And if you join with the affiliate link down below, you can get that additional bonus. But okay, guys, that was it for today's video. I'm very interested what is Bitcoin going to do during this weekend. Monday we got to be alert because we have to know, we have to see what's happening with the regular financial markets. We can check the mini futures already earlier, but the VIX also at massive support. So if this, on any reason, this thing start to collapse, we have to take a step back from crypto too, I think. But whenever that not happens, let the party be on, and Ethereum, let Ethereum outperform Bitcoin a little bit. That would be great if it's now time for Ethereum. So guys, if you like this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up. If you are new to the channel and you want to stay connected with me, make sure to subscribe. Down below, hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever we upload new videos. Join the free Telegram. Also, we have Will Alerts, but we also have a free Telegram where we will have like extra updates. And soon I want to do a live session with you guys, and I'm probably going to do that over on Telegram, not on YouTube, I just want to, we do like a question and answer, Q&A kind of thing. I want to propose you guys some things that I'm working on. Like recently I'm working on some projects. I want to ask you guys some questions. Maybe we can even do a Zoom meeting or something like that. But that will all be visible in the Telegram. So make sure to join the Telegram. Then I wish you all a beautiful Saturday, guys, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.